Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out on Gardenscapes. To log out of your Gardenscapes game, first of all, launch open Gardenscapes on your device and go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner from the home screen. Now you will see this interface where you'll need to tap on Save Progress. There you should see a log out or sign out button. Tap on the sign out button and then you will then be able to log out of Gardenscapes with your connected account. If you have logged in via Facebook or Google Play, you will be asked to disconnect from those accounts to log out. Just go ahead and find the logout option, whichever options that you've chosen. And there you have it. You have successfully logged out. When you're ready to play again, simply log back in with your Facebook, Google or Apple account. Or also, you may play as a guest. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye till then.